Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a quick 5-minute sped up video of me getting glam. So first I'm using my Benefit Porefessional primer. Really works, really blurs out those pores. My Huda Beauty foundation looks a little yellow on me, but it's alright. I blend it out, we make it work. Little spray because it was hard to blend. My Loreal Brow Stylist Definer. Love this stuff. I like to brush out my brows a lot before I go in with product. I'm basically just drawing the line to create the shape and filling it in. Just like art class. Had to give them a little pluck because they were getting a little out of control. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in shade Vanilla. And of course my Huda Beauty baking powder. Love this stuff. I use multiple brushes to apply this. I don't know, it's just the technique that I like to do it. There's no rhyme or reason for it, really. I like both brushes. I'm applying it to all the high points of my face and setting them all with powder. And taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, the bronzer in the palette, and using that as my eyeshadow. Today I was too lazy to do a full eyeshadow look, so I just used bronzer. And some more bronzer. And I kind of dragged it on the side to give my eyes that like elongated look, but by creating the shadow with bronzer. L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Love this stuff. Look how just a couple swipes made my eyelashes pop. And my NYX number 10 eyelashes. These are my favorite. Holy grail. I love them over anything else I've ever tried. Ardell lash glue. You don't have to wait for it to dry. That's the secret. And then I squeeze them with my tweezers and then my fingers after to ensure a tight grip. Oh, just look at that. Okay, now I'm going back in with that bronzer and actually sculpting my face now with my angled contour brush. Go all around the sides of the face. You know the drill, people. Contour that chin. Get that double chin to go away. We try anyways. And I was too lazy to grab a smaller brush, but I have a pretty skinny nose, so I can get away with doing that. And contouring my lips. This is probably my favorite part about the makeup. It really transforms your lips. I mean, look. Wow. Crazy. And then more bronzer on my face. Blush by Nude by Nature. I love that stuff. It's kind of like a shimmery, pinky blush. It's beautiful. Kim Kardashian brightening powder. In the pink one, number 2, I believe. I honestly noticed such a difference. I mean, look at that. Look at how it's brightening. It really worked. And I love applying the brightening powder with my wet sponge. I find it's so much nicer. MAC Soft and Gentle, the holy grail for when you're pale. This is a number 1.5. And I must say, I love the Kim Kardashian lipsticks and liners. And I'm not filling all my lips in, just the outer corners to create that contoured kind of look once I put my lipstick on. Just look at those puppies. And then I felt like I needed some NYX Buttergloss to go on top of that because I'm just a glossy kind of bitch, you know? Here's the outfit. And that is pretty much the end of this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.